Welcome to Rapid Revision for Psychiatry. This is useful for both the students who are preparing for NEET PG and also for final year MBBS, and also for the students who start preparing psychiatry. In this video, I will talk about schizophrenia. What are the main symptoms of schizophrenia is delusions, hallucinations, which is mainly auditory hallucinations, disorganized speech and behavior, and negative symptoms like alogia, asociality, anhedonia, ovulation, and affective flattening. 2 out of these symptoms should be present for more than or equal to 6 months. This occurs because of increased dopamine in the brain, and on brain imaging when ventriculomegaly can be seen. In teenagers, due to increased cannabis use, schizophrenic symptoms can be present, or they can also experience psychosis. There is increased risk of suicide in schizophrenia patients. What is the treatment? The treatment for schizophrenia is antipsychotics. Okay, because in this disease there is increased dopamine level, so we will inhibit the dopamine receptors. And by inhibiting dopamine receptors we can prevent the symptoms, and these antipsychotics mainly inhibit the dopamine receptors in the brain. But due to this there can be EPS side effects. However, with newer generation EPS side effect is less, so newer generations are preferred. Now the picture speaks more than the written words. In this picture you can see that this is a female who is suffering from schizophrenia, and there is some other female that almost looks like her, and she is speaking something in her ear. And mainly this is the auditory hallucination which is seen in schizophrenia. So what happens to this patient is they have delusions, that is they have false belief. They have hallucinations, mainly auditory, that is voices are heard, and they are telling them to do something, or disorganized speech or behavior, and all the symptoms. For example, let me give you example. I have seen a patient like this. There was a boy who gave a history, who was admitted. He was like 10 year old boy, around 10-year-old boy who was school going, who was initially good at his academics, but he presented to our psyche ward with the complaint that he has a false belief that if he stayed in the hostel then somebody will kill him. And he usually gets voices and tells him to just run away from the hostel. So what he used to do is he jumps the boundary and runs away and come back to the home. A 10-year boy, jumping the boundary and returning home. It's like a, it's very frightening for his parents. So they presented to our department, to our psyche department, and told us all this history. So the patient is having delusions, patient is having hallucination, and he is having a disorganized speech and behavior. When we talked with him, he was not organized in his speech, and what we ask and what he says is very much contradictory. So he was also having this disorganized speech and behavior. And many a times this symptoms, a symptoms, this is called a symptoms, also occurs in the patients. They use some new words, they are asocial, that means they don't like to have get-togethers. They like to live alone. Anhedonia, no interest in doing anything. No enjoyment in doing anything. A violation, then affective flattening. So these are the symptoms. So that's all for this video.